How to fix iPhone black screen of death. 3 ways to save its life. Experiencing the iPhone black screen of death can be frustrating, but there are a few methods you can try to potentially resolve the issue. Here are 3 ways to save your iPhone from the black screen of death. 1. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause the black screen. The method to force restart varies depending on your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 and later models, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, simultaneously press and hold the volume down button and the side button until the Apple logo appears. 3. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, simultaneously press and hold the home button and the side or top button until the Apple logo appears. After the force restart, your iPhone should reboot and hopefully, the black screen issue will be resolved. Charge your iPhone. It's possible that your iPhone's battery has drained completely, leading to a black screen. Connect your iPhone to a power source using a genuine charging cable and adapter. Allow it to charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes, and then try turning it on again. Restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. If the above methods didn't work, you can try restoring your iPhone using iTunes Finder. Here's how. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Launch iTunes or Finder on your computer. Select your iPhone when it appears in iTunes Finder. In the Summary tab, click on Restore iPhone or Restore if using Finder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. Please note that this method will erase all data on your iPhone, so make sure you have a backup available. If the restore is successful, your iPhone should start up without the black screen issue. If none of these methods work, it's recommended to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance.